Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher Channel. Welcome to Teacher's English lesson. Today we are going to learn on adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that describes an action in detail. So let's see how it describes an action in detail. Adverbs describe an action by giving these informations. How did it happen? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Why did it happen? And how often is it happening, or are they doing something? Adverbs of place and time gives an answer for when an action happened and where an action happened, the time of the action and the location of the action. Adverbs of manner and frequency gives the answer for the questions how an action happens and how often an action happens. So now let's look into examples. The blue color shows actions and the green color shows adverb of place as in where the action happened, and the purple color shows adverb of time when the action happened. The blue color shows actions. The yellow color shows adverb of manner, as in how Ali speaks. And the orange color shows adverb of frequency, as in how many times Ma reads books. As you can see in the blackboard, there are 3 hints. Number 1, words end with ly. Number 2, words end with ily. And number 3, words that comes after an action. Do remember these hints. That is all for today's lesson. The worksheet resources are available in the description link below. Don't forget to subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel to get updated with new tutorial videos so we can learn together.